Hello, students and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. Okay, I think you already aware of that XD99. Okay, which is actually helpful to do mass changes for your customer master data tables. Okay, so whereas you can able to use the transaction mass, there is something called bus. I mean, bus selection will be there. Bus series selection will be there. So business object that we call bus means BUS star. Some number will be there. That is different in mass changes that I have already provided in my previous videos. That if you'd like to learn that also you can able to see. This video is specifically XD99 data load using text file in S4 HANA 2020. Let's go back. Okay. So when it comes to transaction, the transaction itself is XD99. Let's quickly go back to S4 system. Okay, XD99. So by this, you can confirm yourself XD99 or MOS still available in S4 HANA. Okay, let it be. So I have entered this transaction. Let's wait for a time. Okay, so you can say this is a message it is showing. If you are a beginner, then okay, you click this. Otherwise, you can press enter. No issues. Okay. You can see general data in customer master KNA1 and company code KNB1. Okay, VAT registration, turning, bank details KNBK. Like that, you have a different tables will be there. In the table, the respective data will be stored related to your customer master. Customer master is nothing but in S4 HANA, your BP master only. Okay, the terminology, the way it is configured, that is different story. Okay, if you are not at introduced to S4 HANA course, okay, better do this. This is one of the course which is available in my Udemy courses. SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics Business Partner Concept. Here I explained three scenarios. So this is sufficient. You can kickstart for your master data uh, in S4 HANA projects. The rest of the things, if you would like to learn, there is one more course related to FSCM integration. Whatever the credit management which is available in HCC, that also you can able to learn. And if you still more interested, you can able to learn S4 HANA 1909 business processes. Here I explained as much as possible in 1909 version. From my side 2020 also, which will be coming up in future. Okay, if you're an end user, then you can subscribe this course. Okay, ECC level, if you have some doubts, you can able to view this one for stock transfers. Okay, but the similar way you have some other couple of courses for SD. This is around 70 plus hours, which is going to be updated in future with other topics as well. As if you have doubts in pricing, you can subscribe this. Okay, this is the brief about the courses I have. Let's come back to our topic. If you see this, these are the, so let me try to show you some example in customer master general data. I will show you how to change it in the similar way. You can able to change with the help of the text file. Okay, so let me try to go to /4 SC16N. I'm just going this transaction. Okay, so let's come back here, the transaction. So I'm just giving whatever the customers I'm created. Let me give, all these are external customers. I'm just giving IT star. Okay, so it takes its time. Okay, so now see IT 101, 102, 103, 104. These are the transactions are there. Sorry, here Ram, King Watch. Okay, Mr. Ramji, John King. All these are the name one it has given. Name two they haven't given. So what I want to do is, my target is by using text file, I would like to fill this one. I would like to change the name one. Okay, so name 1 I can able to change it, and on top of it, and I would like to change my search term. This is high is there, so I'm just try to change. This is as the drams, I will change it. Okay, this is my target. So I have a target of search term, and let me try to go to probably I'll just take the city, name 1. This is the thing. Okay, what I have to do is, let me copy this. Okay, so let's take any Excel file first. I will show you. It's very simple. So you can try with Excel or text file also. So let me try to do this thing. So I'm just giving customer. Okay, and what is the customer? I'm just copying this customer number. Okay, so let's go back. Next one is click name 1. Okay, so currently this is the name 1. Let's go back and copy this name 1. So copying here, this is like name 1. Okay, so this is name 2. Okay, this ROM I'm just changing as Ramco Limited. Okay, so this one is King Watch Private Limited. Okay, Hare Krishna John King Limited. Okay, I just changed. So currently it is different actually. Name 2 is like, so I just wanted to put it this one as like, Distri 1. Probably I'm using in my company distributed to. Okay, like that. I just wanted to fill it as name 2. Okay, let's go back. What is our next target? This is the search term. Okay, search term. Let's go back to the Excel. So I'm just putting drams. Okay, let me try to fill this. Okay, okay, this is the data I would like to fill it. Now you can see, let me show you this one. Okay, I'm just taking the snip to show you the difference. I'm just taking this screenshot. Okay, so let me try to take this screenshot till here. This is sufficient. Okay, let me keep it aside. So now let's try to take this data. Okay, you can take this data to the notepad, or else you can directly use Excel also. Let me try to show you notepad for a difference. Let's copy this. Okay, how it is copied. Okay, this is what happening now. Okay, let's save this notepad. XD99 data file. I'm just doing this one. Okay, or else you can give customer master data or something like that. Now the file is ready now. Let's see. So let's come here. Okay, and this is the data you are going to see now. Let's come here. Now select this one. In this KN11 table only data is different. Now import data from the file. Okay, let's click OK. It's a warning message. So let's come here. So XD. So let me try to check. So it is Excel files, right? I just want a text file. Now check actually. Okay, now it is asking without header line or with header lines. For example, text file, if it is having header line, Excel is header line, then you choose this. We have taken only data. We don't want header line. Just take this one. Okay. So now you take with tab separator. Okay. So if you want, you can check. Otherwise, you execute this. Okay. Allow. See what it is saying. So if you click this one, so this is for Kunnar, this is for your customer. Okay. So let's try to do this. You have to map this. This box will comes, it is mapped. Sometimes what system automatically recognizes this field versus your data file. If it is not recognized, you are telling directly this is what I wanted. This is for name one. Okay. So what is this? Okay. We have forgotten our file has some data change. Let's go back to the notepad quickly. Okay, let me show you. So come back here. So let me try to go back. So let's reselect here. I just corrected the data. So without header, tab separator, and let's click. You can able to choose anything, semicolon or comma. Okay. So this one. So which one is this? This one creating the problem. So I just need a search term here. I think this length is more, I think. Okay, it is coming here. Let me try to reset this one. So I have made some corrections. Let me show you the file which I'm holding now. Okay, so which is in Notepad. So I have taken the 3 entries because IT102 101 which is already got having a deletion flag. I don't want to show that one. So you can see these, you can consider these 3 customers. I'm changing name 1 and name 2 and search term actually. So let me try to go back. Okay, remember this, import data from the file. So you may think that it is like in a small job or something like that. In real time it has a lot of relevance to do all these things in some projects. Okay, if any rollout projects are there, you have to perform all these actions. Okay, let's take this one, the file. See, you can able to see semicolon or comma, space, or any one of this. If you put the comma database, you can take it. If you put the space, you can take it. If you are doing the tab separator, this is in your notepad or excel, this is the flexibility you have. So if you don't have header, then I'm choosing this one. Let's click on the execute. Okay, so now you got the data for all these three customers. Now if your system from notepad automatically recognized it, then no problem, it will come like this. Otherwise you have to map this one. It's not a big deal. Okay, just simply map your file. So assume that your customer is, see, now it became green. Assume that your customer is holding, okay, tons of data. Okay, so what will you do? So if you have tons of data, then see SORTL. So it is very difficult to manually change the data, right? And this is one of the shortcut you can able to do this. So now let's try to do one thing. Okay, let me open parallelly C16N. Okay, so you have a customers from IT. What is that? IT102 to IT104. Okay, let's execute this. Okay, okay, this is the current data. I haven't changed. You see, this is the King Watch, Ramji, John King, or something is there. Here, what you call search term is DRM is I'm keeping S actually drams in this, and name 2 it is not filled. Okay, let's come here to our data. Okay, so okay, now you can see this data. Let me try to let's try to select all more. Okay, so if you would like to see, you can able to see the preview before changing. Okay, or else you just execute this one. Okay, now it is saying this is the data. Okay, if with the regular mass you are keeping the values here, right? Okay, let's save this simply. Okay, let's keep the save. Okay, so let's press enter. So now it is processing your changes. Generally, mass transaction or XD99 or MM17 is there. These are bit slow actually. I will show you in one of the video MM17 also. So now you can see all became green. IT102, IT103 changes have been done. Okay. If you select a certain thing, okay, so if any errors are there, it will be in red. Warnings are there, these will be in yellow actually. So three information records got changed. Okay, if you would like to see any messages, that also you can able to see if you click on this long text. Okay, so changes have made, that's it, that will show, nothing else actually. So if you go back, come back, okay, press enter. This is the place where if you would like to see, okay, display old values means you can able to see this. Okay, previous value is King Watch, this is changed to this one. This is one is Mr. Ramji and Hare Krishna, it is changed John King. Previous value name to nothing is there. This is how you can able to perform the actions. Now let's come back and try to see in KNA1 table. Let me refresh this. See, observe this column, and what is that, this column and this column. Let me refresh. See, now data is changed, right? This is how you can able to play with XD99. Okay. So what I would like to tell you is that S4 HANA 2020 currently I'm recording. Anytime it might be available in Udemy at very cheaper price. The prices will change 500 to like somewhere 1000 in between, which is less actually. If you, I mean, once it is live, I'll just give an update. So that's it. I think this session is more useful to you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.